How to enhance abilities in solo leveling arise. First of all, open the game on your device and wait for the main lobby screen to load completely. Then tap on the character icon to access your character profile and abilities menu. Here you will see all your character's current abilities and your stats. To enhance an ability, select the one you want to upgrade and tap the Enhance button. You will see the required materials, gold or special items needed for the enhancement. Confirm the enhancement to improve your ability power, unlock additional effect and increase its effectiveness in combat. Some abilities may require higher level materials or resources obtained from dungeons, daily missions, event or boss fight. Always prioritize enhancing the abilities that match your playstyle or your strongest hunters to maximize combat efficiency. Now you know how to enhance abilities in solo leveling Arise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.